8b. Question number 6. F of x is equal to 4x cube minus bx square plus x minus c. Leaves remainder 0 and 13 when divided by x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 1. Replace x as negative 1 first. So 4 into negative 1 whole cube minus b into negative 1 square plus x is what? Negative 1 minus c. Given what? Leaves the remainder 0 divided by x plus 1. So leaves remainder 0. So instead of f of negative 1, we can write it as 0. 0 is equal to 4 into negative 1 is what? Even number or odd number? 3. Odd number. So it will be negative. Negative itself. Then here negative 1 square will be positive. Positive 1 into negative b will be negative b. Then here negative 1 minus c. So 0 is equal to negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5 minus b minus c. So we need a plus b and minus plus c. So we can take this to the left side. So here it will become positive b plus c is equal to negative 5. Let it be equation number 1. This understood? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's the same f of x. What they are given? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is the divisor. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Again, write f of x is equal to 4x cube minus bx square plus x minus c. Replace x as 3 by 2 is equal to 4 into 3 by 2 whole cube minus b into 3 by 2 whole square plus x as 3 by 2 minus c. Given remainder is what? 30 when divided by 2x minus 3. So here we can replace it as, instead of 0, we can replace it as 30. 30 is equal to, so that left right side. So it will be what? Here. 4 into here 27 divided by 8. No?
8.
Minus b into 9 divided by 4 plus 3 by 2 minus c. You can cancel this 4 and 8 2 times.
27 by 2.
27 by 2. Tell me 27. 30 is equal to 27 by 2. Then what?
Minus
Minus
b into
by 4.
by 4. Numerator?
9b.
9b. Okay. Then next
Plus
minus c.
minus c.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus c. Then
That means all
all got? Then LCM. Not taking this. What you are doing? This two.
hello, ma'am.
Left side.
Now after 9b, 3 by 2 is there.
3 by 2.
3 by 2 is there.
9b by 4
9b.
plus 3 by 2 minus c.
Plus 3 by 2 minus c. Okay. So this 2 by 7, 27 by 2 and 3 by 2 will become what? Same denominator, no? Same denominator. So 27 plus 3. 27 plus 3 minus 9b by 4 minus c, here 30 itself. So 30 is equal to here 27 plus 30 by 2
30.
minus 9b by 4 minus c. Here we can cancel now. So it will be 15. 15 minus 9b by 4 minus c. So it will be what? This we can take to left side. So it will become positive. Anyway, which method you are doing? This method.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 9b by 4 plus c, 15 there itself, minus 30. So 9b by 4 plus c is equal to 15 minus 30 is negative 15. So again, we want to take the LCM. It can be written as C by 1. So LCM using Vedic max. So 9B into 1 is 9B plus 4 into C, 4C divided by 4 into 1, 4 is equal to negative 15. 15 also we can write it as 15 by 1. Again, cross multiply. 9B plus 4C is equal to negative 15 into 4. So it will be negative 60. Can we divide by 2 first? What about the first equation? First equation. Check the first equation. After that we can do.
B plus 5 is equal to negative 5.
3.
B plus 5. B plus C is equal to negative 5.
B plus C is equal to negative 5. So can we divide this? No. 4, 9B, negative 16. Can't divide. So this will be equation number 2 and this will be equation number 1. Solve 1 and 2. Waiting.
Into 4.
Into 4. Okay. Into 4. Okay. Into 4 into 1. So 4B plus 4C is equal to 5 4s are 20. So 9B plus 4C is equal to negative 16. So what we want to do? Subtract or add. 4C we want to cancel. So subtract. 4B minus 9B. 4B minus 9B. One sign is positive, other is negative. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. So it will be negative 5B is equal to here negative 20 minus 60. So it will be negative 20 plus 60. So it will be 40. B is equal to 40 divided by negative 5. No? So it's equal to negative 8. Got it? Substitute B is equal to negative 8 in equation 1. So B plus A is equal to negative 5. B is what? Negative 8 plus C is equal to negative 5. So C is equal to negative 5 plus 8. Therefore, C is equal to what? C is equal to 3. C is equal. F of x is what?
4x cube.
Of x is 4x cube. Okay. 4x cube minus bx square plus x minus c. We have now we got b is equal to what? Negative 8. C is equal to
3.
C is equal to 3. So substitute. Therefore, f of x will become what? 4x cube minus b is negative 8. So already one minus is there. Minus 8x cube x square plus x as x itself minus c 3. So f of x is equal to 4x cube plus 8x square plus x minus 3. Got it? Question we got. Since remainder is equal to 0 when divided by x plus 1, since remainder is equal to 0 when divided by x plus 1, we can write what? F of negative 1 is equal to 0. F of negative 1 is equal. Since remainder is equal to 0, x plus 1 is a factor. You can write directly this also. Without writing this all things. Since remainder is equal to 0, when divided by x plus 1 is given in the question. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. Given remainder is equal to 0 when divided by x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor. So, next honors method or synthetic methods. Write down coefficients. F of x is equal to 4x cube minus 8x
minus
square.
3x square. 8x square.
Minus or
Plus
plus?
x minus 3.
Plus.
Plus 8x
Plus
square.
x minus. No.
Plus x minus 3. So
minus x.
minus x or plus x?
Plus.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
4, 8, 1,
1
Cube square
negative
1 negative 3. Then divided by
negative
x
3.
plus 1 is a factor means negative 1 we want to write. Then 4. 4 into negative 1 is what? Negative 4. And no. So it will be 4. Then negative 4. Here it will be negative 3. It will be positive 3, 0. Already given x plus 1 is a factor. So we got remainder as 0. So how can we write this? That is
4x square
plus 4x minus 3 equal to
4x
into negative 2 equal to negative 12. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4.
6 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 6 into negative 2 is equal to negative 12. Is it possible? 4 into 3. We want to get it as 4 into 3, that is negative 12. 4 into negative 3. Negative 12 we need and 4 also. So, okay, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We can write it as what? 4x square as 4x square itself. Then 4 instead of 4x we can replace it as plus 6x minus 2x minus 3. So taking this common. So which one we can take common? 2. Okay, 2x we can
2x.
take. So next remaining it will be 1, 2x
2x plus 3.
3. Then this same 2x plus 3 we can write here. 2x plus 3. Then adjust with this. We want to get
Minus
negative
1.
minus 1. Okay. Then 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 into what? 2x minus
2x minus 1.
Therefore, we can directly write what? 4x cube plus 8x square plus x minus 3 is equal to, first one we got it as x plus 1. X plus 1 into 2x plus 3 into x minus. So we factorize it completely. First we find a, then b, then factorize. Then only we can complete that. Factorize the expression completely. I think you understood. Got it all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So 7th question. F of x is equal to x square plus px plus q. And g of x is given as x square. G of x is given as x square plus mx plus n. Both have the common factor x plus a. So x plus a is equal to divisor x plus a. So x plus a is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative a. X as negative a is equal to negative a f of x. F of x will become f of negative a. So negative a square plus p into negative a. X as negative a. P will be p itself plus q. X plus a is a common factor. Common factor. It is a factor. So we can replace this f of a negative a as 0 since it is a factor. Negative a square is what? A square minus pa plus q. If you want, you write given x plus a is a factor. Therefore, f of negative a is equal to 0. Write that reason in brackets. That is better. So, next we want to find out which one. Find the values of what? Show that a is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. So, how can we write this? Can we take this to the left side? So, it will become positive. Or
Yes, ma'am.
no need. Let it be there itself. Let it be equation number 1. Let it be there itself. Anyway, let it be there. Then next is given g of x. Given g of x is equal to x square plus mx plus n. X plus a is a factor. So x is equal to negative. We can replace x as negative a. So g of x we have x square plus mx plus n. Replace x as negative a. So negative a the whole square plus m into negative a plus n. Also given what x plus a is a factor of g of x. So we can replace g of negative a as 0 equal to a square minus ma plus n. Since given what x plus a is a factor of g of x, that is f of not f of g of negative a is equal to 0. Up to this understood? 2 square is
4.
from where you got that 4?
2 into
2
2.
into
2
2.
into 2. 3 square is what?
9.
9.
9. That is 3 into 3 is equal to 9.
9.
Negative 3 square is what?
9.
9.
9.
9 only, no. Is it negative 9?
No.
How you got that 9? You only said
Negative
no.
3 into negative
Negative,
Yes.
negative 3. You only said no.
Power
Negative,
is
negative. Negative 3 is what?
even.
Positive 9. Power is either we can say power is even, so we can directly write what? Positive 9. Power even means positive, power odd means negative. Or otherwise, negative 3 square means negative 3 2 times. That is negative 3 into negative 3 is equal to negative into negative positive 9. So same way, negative 4 square is what? Negative 4 square?
16.
16.
That is negative 4 into negative 4. That is negative into negative positive 16. Same way, what about negative a square?
Negative a into a. That's
Negative a into,
Into
is it negative a into a?
negative into negative.
Negative a
Negative
into
a.
negative a itself. Negative a. Here we wrote one
Negative a.
negative 4 into negative 4. Same way negative a into negative a. So what will be? Negative a into negative a is what? Negative.
Square.
Same as this one. Positive a into a square. That is power rule. 1 1. A raised to m into a raised to n. We studied in 8th standard. A raised to m plus n.
1 plus n.
That is a raised to 1 into a raised to 1 is equal to a raised to 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2. A raised to 2. That is a method. So we can write a square. Negative a into negative a is positive a square. Got it? Now,
No,
Yes, ma'am.
now got it. No? Yes. So this way, a square, this one we got, and this one. Let it be equation number 2. So can we solve this 1 and 2? Show that a is equal to n minus q divided by m minus p. A alone we want to get. What we can do? From equation number 1, can we take a common? Is there any possibility? If we take a common, any chance? Just rearrange this x. A square minus pa plus q. Take this q to the left side. So it will become negative q. A square minus pa, a square minus pa itself. Next, same equation a square minus na plus n is equal to 0. Take this n to the left side. So it will become negative n is equal to a square minus ma. So first equation we rearrange it as negative q is equal to a square minus pa. Second equation we are rearrange it as negative n is equal to a square minus ma for our convenience. Minus q is equal to a square minus pa minus n is equal to a square minus ma. So solving 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 4. Solve 3 and 4. So a square minus pa is equal to negative q. A square minus ma is equal to negative n. If we subtract, it will become a square minus a square 0. So what
0.
will be here? Minus pa minus minus ma
Ma
minus ma. So minus pa plus ma. So
plus
here it
ma.
will be minus pa plus ma is equal to negative q minus minus n. Negative q plus n. Negative q plus n. We want to find out a is equal to. So we can take a common here. So if we take a common, what will be? What will be?
negative.
Negative p
Negative p
plus
plus
m
m
is equal to negative q plus n.
Plus n.
Negative q plus n. So 2x is equal to 10. So x is equal to what? 10 by 2. Same way, A we want to find out. A is equal to same 2x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 10 by 2. Same method apply here. Same method. A is equal
plus n divided by minus p
negative q plus n divided by
divided by minus
negative
plus
p plus
plus
m plus m. So this can be rearranged as what? Positive first. And negative q plus n we can write it as n minus q divided by
M
Yeah.
minus
minus p. That only we want to find out. Simultaneous. How can we do this?
minus
Elimination. So minus a square minus a square. A square minus a square is what? 0. No. A square minus a square. 0. The next term is which one? Minus PA. Tell me Bharat.
minus
Minus
ma
minus MA minus MA.
minus
So
ma
minus PA. Together it will be plus MA. So we can replace this. We can write here as minus PA plus MA left side. Up to this clear? Got it?
yes ma'am.
Then same way what we can do right side. Right side. Negative Q. Tell me.
Negative q minus
Minus minus
N.
n. Negative Q. Afterwards you write. Negative first you tell me. Then only I can understand. No. Then you got it or not. Negative Q
Negative q plus n
plus n. So write
plus n.
negative Q plus n. Then taking common. Which one we can take common? From here.
A
A we can take common. So A is equal to means remaining it will be remaining
negative p
negative P
plus n
negative P plus
plus
M.
n
Negative P plus M is equal to
negative q plus n
negative Q plus N. Negative Q plus N. Then A is equal to, look at the question, show that A is equal to. So A is equal to, we want to write. A is equal to. How can we write A is equal to?
ഇതാണ് മനസ്സിലാവാത്തത്.
A is equal to. A is equal to. Suppose 10x is equal to 200. What will be the value of x? X is equal to
200
10,
divided
200
by
by 10.
10.
200 divided by 10.
200
That
by
is
10.
0, 0 cancel. So x is equal to 20 by 1. That is x is equal to 20. Clear? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
2x is equal
Yes.
to 6. What about x?
X is equal to 6 by 2.
X is equal to
6 by 2.
which is equal to 3. 2a is equal to 10.
A is equal to 10 by 2.
Equal to 10 by 2.
A is equal to 10 by 2. A into P plus 3 is equal to 5. So A is equal to
5 by P plus 3.
5 by
5 by p plus
P
3.
plus 3. Same way. Tell me. A is equal to
Minus Q plus
minus Q
Q
plus
plus
N
divided by minus
divided
P
by
minus
minus
P
P plus
plus M.
minus P plus M. That's all. Then rearrange. What we want to find out? Just rearranging only. A is equal to, first we will write positive. N minus Q divided by positive we will write first. M minus P. That is our answer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bharat got it?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Ambata
Okay, thank you.
ma'am 10 10.